Yo, what up, though? Before we get into the video, real quick, man, make sure y'all visit the link in the description. Come down and check out what we got to offer at Jug Money Block. Binary options bag management, real quick. So, if you look at this table, you see our risk reward on the left. You know, at the top, we got the win rate. So, if you had a 1-to-1 risk reward on your trades, you need at least a 60% win rate overall to be profitable. Now, if you go to 2-to-1, you only need a 40% win rate. 3-to-1, 30% win rate, 4-to-1, and so on and so forth. So the bigger your risk reward, the lower your win rate could be. So with binary options, we got a fixed win rate at a little bit less than a 1-to-1. So with binary options, you gotta have at least a 60% win rate to be profitable. But we're gonna do our math with our trades to try to get a 2-to-1, a two in between a 2 and a 3-to-1 risk to reward. How you step through this. So the first trade, I'm gonna risk 1%. All right, if I win, I could risk 2%. If I lose, I gotta risk 1% again. And then we start it over after that. So we keep repeating this process over and over and over again. So if I go in and take a trade, I risk 1%. I can only risk 2% if I win. That's the only way I could risk 2%. If I lose, I gotta stay at 1% and just keep on doing it until I win. So doing it like this, my full win is going through this whole system. And if we win that 2%, we got to go back to that 1%. We don't keep risking 2% over and over. We just start over this whole system again. So let me go on pocket option. All right, so first trade is 1%. That's the first one we risking. So let's just take a trade. See how this play out. Now, if we win this trade, then we're going to be going to 2%. But if we lose this trade, we put up 1% again. Okay, we lost that trade. So now let's do a 1% trade again. All right, now we down 2. This is good, so now we can see what happens when we win a full win. So now, let's look to see if we can find us a winner. What's this 1%? Now we down 2. We 0-2. So all we gotta do is win 2 to be back up. And now we just went 0-3, which is good because we can still see. Okay, we keep it at 1%, right? Now, all we need is 2 wins out of this 5. We only need a 40% win rate to break even. Okay, now when we win this trade, we're gonna go to 2%. So we 1-4. Okay. So we went 2 out of 5. Y'all see we started with $100. That was a 40% win rate. We basically a little under break even. 25-cent loss. So you see, using this system it helps with your risk management. So we lost 3, we was down 3%. We won 2 to break back even. So now that after we win that 2%, we go back down to 1%. You go back down to 1%. You go back down to 1%, and then you just keep doing the system over and over. So when we winning, we are maximizing our wins, and when we losing, we minimizing our risk. So when we losing, we only losing 1%, but when we winning, we able to get those 2 to 1s that we need. And again, trading is this system like this is good for your psyche because you're not risking too much. And we know that we only need a couple wins to make back our losses on those losers. So this way we don't gotta be right over 60% of the time, like as if we were just doing it the regular way. Now I'm just gonna take 2 more setups and I'm gonna end this video. Just wanted to go over the risk management system for real. Show y'all how this boy work. And it's good that I got a lot of losses just to show how it maintains the drawdown. we won that. Now let's do 2%. Get up out of here with this. Recap on the trades. We lost 3. We got our full win on those 2 trades. Lost another one, then got another full win. Put us in profit. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 4 out of 8, 50% win rate, and we are profitable. So yeah, all right, catch y'all on the next one.